You are going to love the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.